Oh right, I'm just throwing up a bike check here, so it'll just be a quick one. Right, starting off at the rear, I've got a We the People Supreme back hub, 9-tooth driver. I've got We the People grip and tyres front and rear, 2.25s because I like the tyres pretty fat. I've got an Alienation runway rim, Vocal double butted spokes, Shadow half-link chain. Proper sprocket. It was gold but I painted it black. McNeil conjoined cranks, Welgo magnesium pedals. The frame is a proper TTL. It's an 09 frame. I've got I can't think what it is now. An illegal seat with a salt post. I've got a 42 bike co stem, an Odyssey headset, Fitzshiv forks, an Odyssey Vandero 2 front hub, an Alienation Skylark rim with Vocal double butted spokes on the front as well. I've got S&M Slam XLT bars, Chasehawk grips with proper bar ends, Eastern light pegs with a hub guard that I made with the flanges for my grip. It works really good and it's nice to grind with. I guess it doesn't catch up too much, and I think it cost me about 1,300 to build, and it weighs about 19.5 pounds without pegs and 20 something with pegs, so it's a pretty light bike. So thanks for checking it out.